welcome to the second installment of Experimental Girls cooking class, starring yours truly, GA, brought to you by Uncle Dan's Salad Dressings, Dips, and Seasonings. Before we go any further, though, I just want to go back to the first one where we did Major Rick's pretzels. Yeah, I did Major Rick's pretzels. The recipe you can find at UncleDans.com, or you can just go re-watch the first video, which I would recommend because it's so awesome. But, you know, we had a big bag of Major Rick's pretzels. And after the weekend, this is all that's left. That's how good they were, people. That's how good I am, all right?
Serious.
Now, I just want to also give a shout out to Stoneway Low. He did not follow J-Lo's instructions. He used garlic salt instead of garlic powder. Even a newbie like me knows better than that, bro. Now, what are we doing? Because I know we kind of walked through this earlier, but I just want to let Experimental Girl, my instructor, know I've totally forgot everything he told me.
Great. Well, hello, everyone. Today, we're doing Uncle Dan's dip. Pretty simple, but we're going to give you a couple variations on it. So here we go.
Okay, what do I do? What's
we
first?
Start with 2 cups of mayonnaise,
okay,
2 cups of sour cream, which we already have measured for you.
Okay, so.
Get those into the bowl. There you go.
Okay.
Good job.
And no licking the spatula because you may have to use it later.
Nobody wants to lick.
See, if this wasn't on video, I would be licking it right now. So let me get it all out here. Okay.
Then 2 cups of sour cream.
Okay. Use the same spatula or
sure?
Are you sure?
Sure.
Okay. Well, it's all going in the same
it's
place.
My
belly. All right, yeah, here we go.
There you go.
Okay, get that out of here. Okay, so that's the mayonnaise and
sour cream.
Sour cream.
Now just take the whisk there.
The whisk. This is a whisk.
Yes.
Okay, and I got to take this out of here.
Take your spatula out. Yes. Lay that aside.
Okay, now
just mix those 2 ingredients together real good.
Oh.
Once you get that going.
Shake it, baby.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that.
No,
man.
no. You could have a major.
Go merry-go-round, baby. Yeah.
We could have a major accident doing that.
Okay. No
now,
okay.
Let's add our package. And what are we using today?
We are using Uncle Dan's Creamy Ranch.
Creamy. Sounds
Creamy
so
Ranch.
good.
It is so awesome. So,
creamy.
I didn't have to use my teeth this time.
Good.
Okay, so this goes in?
This goes
Correct. Okay,
Sprinkle it around so it's easy. You know, you don't want to just glob it in one spot. Get it all. Yeah.
Okay.
Now take that whisk.
Take the whisk again.
Yeah, get that mixed up real good.
Shake it.
And basically, that's all you need to do to make that delicious Uncle Dan's ranch dip.
See how easy that was, Stoneway?
Yes. Which doesn't everybody love ranch? I think that's...
No, that's, come on.
Yeah. I know the oldest daughter, she orders a side of ranch no matter what she's having.
And remember, everybody makes ranch. Uncle Dan's just makes it better. All right? Okay. So
all right. Now, we're going to turn this into actual 3 dips.
Oh, 3 dips.
Yes. So we have our original here.
Yeah.
Let's take a little and put it in that medium bowl there.
This medium bowl. You know, there were so many bowls when I walked in the kitchen. I had to check the calendar. I thought it was 4:20.
Yeah.
Hey-o! All right. So a little bit. Is that what you're saying?
Now, which bowl are you doing?
This one.
No, not that one.
Wrong bowl?
Wrong bowl.
Which bowl then? This bowl?
The medium bowl.
No, that bowl.
Why don't you bring it to you so we don't... There you go. Okay.
Good. More?
More. You want to put the majority of it.
Oh, the majority of it. Okay.
Yeah, we still want to save a little of the original ranch for dipping in our veggies.
More?
Yeah. We just need a little dipping bowl left. So. There you go.
Okay.
All right. Now, to that.
To what? This?
To that original ranch, we're going to make a spinach dip.
What?
Yeah, so
Oh my God.
here
Okay.
we have some chopped up, well, these are water chestnuts.
Yes.
Those are sliced how they come in the can.
Yeah.
But in the bowl in front,
yes.
we have some all chopped up for you.
Oh. Spinach.
No. No. There you go.
Yeah, okay.
Water chestnuts.
Water chestnuts.
Put those in.
Put those in. Okay.
Okay. Take you see the long onions there? They're called
Yes.
green onions
Green
or
onions.
scallions.
Yeah.
We have some of those chopped. Put those in.
Okay. Go
Okay.
on.
Last thing we have there,
No, we still have these.
those are whole just to show you how they look
Oh, okay.
before we chop them.
My bad.
Indeed. Spinach.
Okay.
Okay. Now you want to mix that up real good.
Okay. Real good. We're mixing, people. This
Yeah,
is
and
how
you're
you
gonna
do
get
it.
this. You're gonna get this cool, like even.
And I just want to make sure everybody knows I wash my hands like Dr.
Yes,
Oz tells
yes,
you to. Like
yes,
this, like this, like that,
yes.
while I'm singing happy birthday 3 times. So
Yeah.
everything is good. Everything's good to go.
Okay, perfect.
Okay. A little bit of spinach dip. Let me get this out of the way here. Okay.
There you go.
Awesome. So now we have
Spinach
dip. Again, so easy, even I can do it because of Uncle Dan's salad dressings, dips, and seasonings. That
Great.
looks good.
Now we have two. We have the original ranch dip.
The original ranch
We
dip.
have a spinach dip.
Right.
And now we're going to have another little dipping sauce. So that third bowl.
This one.
Yes.
Okay. Taking this out.
No.
Sorry.
It's already ready to go.
I told you I forgot. Here
No.
we go. What?
Pick up the little bowl. Put the big bowl down.
Pick up the little bowl.
Right.
Okay.
Put the big bowl down.
Put the big bowl down. And
Yeah.
It is down.
Out of your way.
Oh, out of my way. Okay, let's get it out of my way.
There you go. Okay. Behind you, there's some ketchup.
Yes. What do you want me to do with this ketchup now?
I want you to put about the same amount of ketchup as there is of ranch dressing there.
Wow. Really?
Yes.
Okay, here
And
I
this
go.
makes basically the base.
This is my favorite part of ketchup, by the way.
Yeah. No, not too much.
Okay, that's about
About the same amount.
it's about right.
And this gives us our Uncle Dan's Northwest dipping sauce.
Oh, that's right. Yeah. Because we
And
can't get
in our house,
Yeah.
the grandchildren won't eat their chicken or anything without dipping sauce. We make this for
Okay.
them. They love it.
Yeah, so you see? Just
There
like
you
that.
go.
Again, one more example of how easy Uncle Dan's is. I mean, I'm doing it, man, okay? I mean, it doesn't get any easier than that. So what are we going to do? We get to eat any of this?
Yes. Behind you, I have some veggies that are great in the original ranch. They're in the big bowl that you set aside. And then I have some of your favorite crackers for the spinach dip.
Milton's, the best.
Yeah, why don't you give that a taste?
Oh, baby.
Now, it is best to let the dip sit overnight to let all the flavors meld. So tomorrow, you're
You know what
really
that
going to
tastes
love
like?
that. What does that
That
taste
tastes like GA made it, baby.
Yeah.
Woo, yeah. Okay, now we're going to do this dip. So-
No, we're not going to do that. We just showed how to make that,
What do
and
you
you can dip whatever you want in it. But it's great for chicken nuggets and
Whatever I want?
Sure,
About my finger!
go ahead.
Yeah. There you go. Uncle Dan's salad dressings, dips, and seasonings are so easy when you have to have that social distancing snack. This is the guy to talk to. This guy right here. Uncle Dan's is the man. UncleDans.com. See you later.
Bye.